morning to everyone. Today we will have the revision of exercise 9.1 from chapter number 9, rational number. Question number 2. In the previous video we had already completed question number 1. Hope you people understood. So dear student, what is asked here? Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. So what is rational number? I told any number which is in the form of P by Q, A by B, C by D, any alphabet which is any alphabet can be there. Okay, so any number which is in the form of a fraction, that is P by Q, A by B, it can consider as or said to be as a rational number when it follows the two conditions. First condition is that its numerator and denominator should be integers, and second condition is that its denominator never be zero. That I had already told you. Now here it is asked that 4 more rational number. So in order to write 4 more rational numbers after this numbers, we have to see. So dear student, we have to first see the pattern. So what is the pattern we are having in the first part? Minus 3 upon 5 comma minus 6 upon 10 comma minus 9 upon 15 comma minus 12 upon 20. This is the pattern we are having. Minus 12, this one is okay. So here we can see in the numerator that minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. So this is the table, isn't it? This is the table, multiplication table of 3. That means after minus 12, one number should be minus. After 12, how much is this coming? 15, then minus 18, then minus 21. Will be like this. Now seeing the denominator. Okay. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So again 5, 10, 15, 20 is the table of 5. So what will be the denominator after 20? That will be 25, 30, then 35. Like this it will be. Then the next will be minus 24 upon 40. So this is the answer. So dear student, for this you have to look the pattern in order to understand. Whatever the trick is used in the first pattern, it is not necessary the same trick will be going to be used for the second pattern. Remember it. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार जो ट्रिक यूज़ किए हैं वो सेकेंड वाले पैटर्न में भी यूज़ होगा. हर पैटर्न के लिए डिफरेंट ट्रिक्स होता है. सपोज वी आर हैविंग द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन minus 1 upon 4, second minus 2 upon 8 comma minus 3 upon 12. Okay, looking the numerators, what is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3? That means minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 will become. And then the denominator 8, 4, 8, 12. That means it is a table itself, isn't it? So here the table of 4 will come. The table of 4 will be going to be come over here. Okay, so here it will be 16, then here it will be 20, then here it will be 24, then here it will be 28. Like that it will be. So continue to solve question number 3rd and 4th part with your own. Clear? So no need of multiplying all this which is seeing on the screen. You can directly use the trick, a short trick which I told you. Clear? Next we are having the question. As this is a revision question, I am not going to explain you each and everything. Okay. So next question we are having question number 3. Give 4 rational number equivalent to. So it's a equivalent to. Suppose we are having a number 1 by 2 is a number. Okay. Then we are having 3 by 6 a number. We are having 4 by 8 as a number. So whether this two number, that means 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 is equivalent to 1 by 2. Equivalent, what do you mean by equivalent? Equivalent मतलब equal होना. ठीक है, हम जो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को कैंसिल करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को किसी के टेबल से जब हम काटेंगे तो वो वापस क्वेश्चन ही आना चाहिए. ऐसे नंबर्स को इक्वलेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो इफ दिस 1 by 2 इज अ क्वेश्चन, देन वाइल कैंसलेशन ऑफ 3 by 6 we will get 1 by 2 itself. Again while cancellation this we will get 1 by 2. So in this 2 1 by 2 is coming. Therefore 1 by 2 is equivalent to 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. Have you understood what do you mean by equivalent? Now here it is said that 4 equivalent rational number you have to find. So minus 2 by 7 is the question. So in order to find 4 equivalent number, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, divide and multiply by 4, multiply by 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever numbers you want, you can multiply it by it. Okay, so here it will be 4, 14. Here it will be minus 6, 21. Here it will be minus 8, 24. Like this, when you are going to cancel this number, you will get the same answer, minus 2 by 7. minus 2 by 7. So this is the solution. उसका इक्विलेंट मतलब उसको कैंसिल करने पर वापस क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए, ऐसे नंबर्स को इक्विलेंट कहते हैं. सिंस हियर इट इज आज द 4 रैशनल नंबर विच इज इक्विलेंट टू, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड, दैट्स वाई वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई those number. Now if we are talking about this minus 5 by 3, so we can multiply by 2, divide and multiply by 2, divide and multiply by 3, divide and multiply by 4, divide and multiply by 5, 6, whatever the number you want, how many numbers you want, you can multiply it. Okay, so here it will be minus 10 upon 6, here it will be minus 15 upon 9, here it will be minus 20 upon 12. Like this, when you are going to cancel the answer, you will get repeated the same numbers. Clear? Understood? I know I had explained you very fast, but it's just a revision, that's why. So dear student, whatever the number, it is not necessary that you are going to multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a sequence. You can multiply with any number. When you are going to multiply with any number, whatever the answer comes, when you cancel the answer, back the question will come. Okay, so this is an equivalent fraction solution. Now let's see question number 4. Draw a number line and represent the following rational number. Everybody know how to draw the number line, isn't it? We have to draw a number line as we are drawing in the form of integer. Here is a 0 and 1 is here, 2 is here. Which number we have to keep? That is 3 by 4. So keeping the denominator 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4, that means 1 will come, isn't it? So that's why keeping. So number line you people had studied from the smaller class. It is easy for you to do the number lines. Clear everyone? So here are the solutions. Just go through the solutions. Next question number 5 here. The point P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, A and B on the number lines are such that TR is equals to RS is equals to SU and AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. It means that TR length is equals to RS length and RS length is equals to SU length. In the same way, AP length is equals to PQ and PQ length or measurement is equals to QB. Then name the rational number represented. That means which rational number is going to be represent USRT and APQB. Okay, we have to tell the rational number which is representing it. So what are the rational number representing it? That is 7 upon 3 represent P. P is represented by 7 by 3. Q is represented by 8 by 3. Okay, then R is represented minus 4 by 3. S is represented minus 5 by 3. So this is the solution. Next question is here. Which of the following pair represent the same rational number? Which of the following pair represent the same rational number? For that, what you have to see? You have to calculate the number by cancellation. Okay, suppose this number is here. Can this 7 will get cancelled by the table of 7 itself? Here 21 comes 3 times. Again this will be 1 time, this will be 3 times. Whether both are equal, here minus 1 by 3 is coming and here 1 by 3 is coming. Whether both minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 are equal, it is not equal. So it is not a rational number. Have you understood? In the same way, when you are going to cancel minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon 25. Okay, so 16 comes in table of 4 times, 25 times. It will get cancelled? No, it will not get cancelled. Now 20 comes in the table of which? 5. How many times? 4 times. And 5. Whether this minus 4 by 5 and plus 4 by 5 are equal? No, it is not equal. If it is not equal, that means it is not a rational number. Okay, so in this way you have to see by cancellation whether they are a rational number or not. So in this way you can choose. So for today, thank you everyone.